Ciao ragazzi, it's Yashinari. What are we gonna do today?
This morning we're installing Burger Performance cold air intakes onto my M4. Shouldn't take us too long, maybe around 45 minutes. Looks like we need some sockets, maybe a screwdriver, and should be it.
You think it's gonna make any changes, or it's just for looks?
I think it will. It should give us more power and make the turbos really sound better.
So no ricer shit.
No ricer shit.
Let's see what happens.
Not on this.
We say 30 minutes. I think it's gonna take longer. I bet. Let's do it!
Let's do it.
First thing to do here is to remove the carbon bar that you use for rigidity that gives us access to the whole intakes. In the meantime, we had Sean that brought his car, we put it in the garage and we started working on that too. You're gonna see it now. Now, if you close the garage door, we can lift it even more. Close the garage door.
Fix that part though.
What did you hit?
The what's that called?
Oh, it's hitting the bar. The fucking
I forget what that's called.
we call it the anti-rolling bar. I don't know how you call it. Sway bar. Which is confusing because in English the roll bar is something different. But yes, come vedete qui ragazzi abbiamo uno scarico più alto dell'altro e lì abbiamo un punto che tocca. Il lavoro di oggi qui è di semplicemente spostare lo scarico e aggiustarlo un po'. Vediamo un po'. Guardate che roba sotto, che figata sta macchina, è veramente grossa. And back to the BMW. Here you see us take off the intake manifolds. The first one, the long one here, and then also the second one that you see on the bottom left side. It's pretty straightforward. There's a few screws, and then you screw the new one back in, which has also a bigger supporting screw there on the top right, and then you put in the intake filter. Now what you guys don't see here is my dumbass dropping part of the wrench in the engine. So here you see the car lifted on one side because I went under the car, had to undo the whole pan that protects and gives rigidity to the car and find that bloody wrench that I lost. If it wasn't for that, it would have been a 10-minute job, but because of what happened, it took us actually 30-40 minutes, but it wasn't too bad.